Because you are my love.
But sabi niya pa sa Korea na daw.
Yeah.
All right.
Annyeonghaseyo, hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am Ara. And I am Yumi, and we are the co-sisters, students of Korean Pinay. Ayan, it's another day and it's another mini vlog na naman po kami. So before going to school, naglambing ako kay ate. If I can borrow her bag ba? But sabi daw ni Mami, I have to ask permission first. Baka magalit daw si ate. Ayaw kasi ni ate magkuha ng gamit na hindi nagpaalam kay ate. So strict, di ba? Na-adjud mag-wild. Pagdili, mananghin. Yumi, it's mananghid, not manangin. So, Mami dropped us in school. And look, si Mami naman, nahirapan sa dala niya. Ang bigat kasi ng bag ko at ang daming books. Samahan pa ng mainit na araw. And Mami so funny kasi hindi na-open lahat ng umbrella niya. At baka masunog ang agtang niya. Ay, sorry po, Mami Dragon. Same lang kayo ni Mami Yumi. At today pala, may outreach program kami. So we give donation to the other school. At today pala, mag-visit sila sa school namin. Sila pala yung napili namin na beneficiary. And they are from lower grade school students. So the teachers and the council parents, they help and prepare the gifts for the Kutkot Elementary School. So today, we are celebrating meaningful moments of giving. We play fun games, share meals, and dance for everyone para maging masaya sila sa Pasko. Sharing is caring, ika nga. At dahil magkasama kami sa dance club, so kasama ko pala si Yumi magsayaw. And the other student, the lower grade levels, malaban at mga inday kimbot jod. At isa-isa sila pinaakyat at nagline sa stage. At nag-start na kami magbigay ng gifts. At dahil mabigat, also the parents are participate. Binigay nila isa-isa at pinaupo sa stage. Ang dami na naman napasaya ng munting bata. Thank you sa lahat ng parents and to our school sa pagbigay nila ng munting regalo sa ibang mag-aaral. Sharing is caring talaga. God bless po sa inyo lahat. And fast forward, we went in Decathlon here in SM Clark. Dahil malapit na yung Christmas party namin, we buy regalo here. Naghanap kami ng pangregalo sa classmate namin. At nakita namin yung roller skate and we want to buy it. But sabi ng nanay dragon namin, walang budget. We need to save muna daw ng money. Baka naman may mang regalo dyan na Santa. Salamat daan. So we check muna ano yung maganda. After, bumili na kami ng exchanging gift. Sana nagustuhan at napasaya namin yung mga classmate namin. At dinner time, kumain kami sa labas. Our apa treat us daw. So we choose Mamboknim restaurant because we want to eat jjajangmyeon and tangsuyok. At si Mami naman ay nag-request ng spicy jampong. Pangtanggal daw ng pagod niya. Mga unta ninyo, maura, salamat sa pagtanaw. Sa di pa po nakapag-follow, please follow the co-sister po. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!